Hi, my name is Leah Waldman, and I'm excited to be part of this class. Um, Most of my experience with individuals, as far as disorders or diagnoses of, has been within the field of education, and mostly I worked in a middle school setting. So by that time, um, all my kiddos were already had a label, and it was usually autism. So I was not a part of the initial process, evaluation process, for those guys, but I was a part of the yearly evaluation, but also every 3 years they, by law, have a reevaluation, and I was part of that process. And many times, parents or myself or other professionals requested a new evaluation to be done. And as part of the IEP team, I would be, of course, sitting in on the meetings and discussing the evaluations. And many times I had to give my own data to help make further decisions for that student. But other than that, I was involved in some initial evaluations when I worked with younger kiddos, and those were called initial evals. And um, it was just basically when children are first starting out, and parents see some warning signs or see things that might not be, um, what, like, where their child should be at, and it raises concerns. So but most of my career was spent working with older kids, mainly middle, and it was more of a severe autistic population, like nonverbal and pretty low academically and things of that nature. So with that said, I look forward to hearing everyone else's experiences throughout this class, and being able to learn more about the diagnosis part of the field. And I'm really excited. So I hope you guys all had a good break, and I look forward to meeting all of you and seeing some other ones that I already know. Okay, good night. Bye.